Yeah, hello, yeah, so welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to introduce the Crypto AI Bot that is doing wonders in 2026. Yeah, so one thing about arbitrage that's very difficult is what finding the opportunity coin to trade. We have a bot that give you signals, but you will trade it manually. But this one, it will trade the coins for you automatic. It will search for the coin, find the opportunity coin, and do the trade for you. And all you have to do is what? Just cash out your money. That's it. Yeah. So if you come to the app, this how the app is. You have to verify and everything. Yeah. So after that, we have deposits, we have withdrawal, we have transfer and stuff. The transfer means that you can transfer the money in your arbitrage bot back to your regular account anytime you want. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. Yeah. So if you want to start trading here, you go to the arbitrage. So let's say you have $100 to start your trading. Let's calculate. So it means that every day you'll be earning $2. So it means that the twice trading is what, $4 or 4 USDT. Yeah. So as a starter, the boat trades twice for you. As a starter, the boat trade twice for you. Yeah. So if you are using $1,000, it will trade twice for you. Consider trade left is what, two. So $20, $20, two is $40. Yeah. And you can withdraw your money anytime you want. You can withdraw your money anytime you want, except Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah. So it's considered yesterday's video was suspended. So the withdrawal was hold. Yeah. So let me try. Today's Monday, so let me try for it to see. Withdraw. Everything that it has open. Yeah. So just click on the chain, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Yeah. So any withdrawal, they charge you $1 as fee. Then you enter your withdrawal address here, and you want to withdraw your money. So you can withdraw your money from your regulated wallets. Yeah. So you can withdraw the money from here. So if you want to, if you transfer the money from here to here, you have to transfer it back to here before you can withdraw it. Yeah. So if you have the money in your account and you want to initiate the trade, you go to the arbitrage. And this one, the bot is $50. Yeah. So when you buy the bot, I will call you personal on a video WhatsApp call, and I'll show you how to do it, how to use it and stuff. Yeah. So you just come here, you click on start arbitrage, and it will start trading for you. Just simple as that. And you can also do your own things, and as it's doing. So when it's up, you see that it will be done, and you withdraw your money. Yeah. So if you go here, there you can see that it's still doing. It's preheating right now. Yeah. Yeah. So one thing about arbitrage is that the higher the capital, the higher the profit. Yeah. So this one is my demonstration account that I use it to demonstrate for you to see, and I also have my real account that I use it to trade my own. Yeah. So this is it. So you can trade twice a day as a starter, and you can withdraw your money anytime you want. Yeah. So this one, just relax. You can just relax like this. Can relax, and you wait for it to be done, and you go to your wallet, and you withdraw your money. As simple as that. You can withdraw your money as simple as that. Yeah. So thank you. And if you need the boats, I have my Telegram link in the description, in the bio as well. Join the Telegram and chat me. Tell me that you need the boat. The boat is just $50. After activating the boat for you, I'll video call you and show you how to use the boat. Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out. Don't forget to follow me and for more. Yeah. This one is my new YouTube account too, so please make sure to subscribe for me as well. Yeah.